Yes. My name is Thomas Rees. I am a sales consultant at Yooz, which is a company specialized in accounts payable solutions from purchase to payment. We are a company located in the south of France. We have offices as well in the United States, and we are present in more than 40 countries.
What do you mean by peer-to-peer? Automation, what does that mean?
Automation means that we are automating every workflow in accounts payable automation. And for example, how does Yooz work? We have an all-in-one solution which is going from the purchase. We create purchase orders, purchase requests. We have a capture possibility, which is a multi-channel capture. We can review and automate the GL coding and the PO matching. Also, we approve and reject using smart workflows, and also we automate payment approval, prepare payment files, and then we export them. So we automatize the every workflow in our company.
So, what company needs your technology?
Most of the companies that need our technology are those that are still doing repetitive manual tasks, the companies that would like to reduce their administrative costs, and companies that would like, for example, be conform to the legislation that is going to be imposed by several governments, which is already the case, for example, in France, and which is coming in other European countries as well.
So what is the city where you're based?
We are based in Montpellier, which is in the south of France.
And I see a lot of logos here. What are all these logos?
Yes, we've got
Customers?
quite some countries.
Partners?
Yes, we do have quite some partners. We have, for some partners and customers as well. We are located in the south of France, as I said, and we have some partnerships with one of the biggest consultancy companies in the world, such as KPMG or EY. And more than over 200 companies have already entrusted us with our solution.
So here I see a quote. It says 1 to 2 weeks before use, and now it takes 3 to 4 days.
Exactly. So our main objective is, for example, to reduce the administrative costs, but also the repetitive tasks for humans and to reduce their errors. For example, an invoice, in order to treat them, takes about 3 weeks. We reduce it to less than a week, which is something that we are very proud of in order to propose.
What kind of purchases are we talking about?
So our purchases, for example...
Is it like consumer products or...?
We have a one cloud solution based, and for example, if you were to use our solution, then we would implement our system at your company. Everyone will be able to use that platform. It will be the customer, it will be the furnisher, it will be everyone who is integrated in that project.
So it could be like big projects that people need to process in their system, or it could be small things also.
It can be small companies, it can be big companies, it can be small projects or big projects. For example, a big project, what is it? It's a company who's got more than 40,000 invoices per month. They are treating that, and they have a lot of problems in order of repetitive tasks, manual errors, or even fraud, or something like that. And we are able to detect that as quickly as possible and automate the entire workflow.
Do you use AI?
We do use, in fact, artificial intelligence and also OCR technology. So we call that smart data. By using smart data, we are able to capture every information on the invoice, and extract the exact information that needs to be done and create an invoice entirely.
This says 200,000 companies in 40 countries?
Exactly. So
are they your customers, so many?
They are, yes.
Yeah?
More than 200,000 companies are already using our solution, mainly in France, but also in the United States. We've got a big market in the UK, in Spain as well, and right now we are expanding as quickly as possible in the rest of Europe, but also the entire planet. For example, South Africa already uses our companies in South Africa, and Switzerland, Belgium, Luxembourg.
What's your competitor?
Competitors, we've got, for example, some competitors like Odoo. This could be a kind of a competitor, but we also work with them because it's an ERP.
They say it's ERP.
Yeah.
Are you also ERP?
We are not an ERP. We are complementary to the solution of an ERP. And we are interoperable with more than 250 ERPs, which is our specificity.
How is better in terms of value for money? How much it costs your service? How does it work?
Is, for example, if you were about 100 invoices per month, you have to pay like between 90 and 100 euros per month. But for example, that changes because we personalize and customize our solution to the needs of the client.